Hi, Dale here with Open Road Outfitters. This is part 2 of our look at how isolating circuits work for trailer wiring. And I'm going to wire up some examples of the circuits we looked at in part 1. Let's start with a simple representation of the brake circuit on a bike. And here it is on the bench. You have the light, a switch, a fuse, and a power source. So when you grab the brake or you press the brake pedal, that closes the switch, that completes the circuit, and it lights the light. Very simple. When you tow a trailer, you need to connect the trailer's light circuits to the bike, and one way people do that is by connecting the trailer lights directly. Direct wiring like this means you're creating a branch circuit off of the bike's wiring, and that branch shares the same fuse. Now, this is okay when there's no problem. But let's look at what happens when a fault develops in the trailer wiring. In this example, I've direct wired a trailer brake light to my bike brake circuit, and I've created a short condition on the trailer wiring. So when I make that short happen, the fuse pops, and it takes the lights out on the trailer and on the bike. Boom, there it is. Busted. The way to avoid that is to add in an isolating circuit which uses a relay. A relay is like a remote control switch, so one circuit can control another one without being directly attached. In this example, I've installed the isolating relay kit that we sell. This has 4 relays in it, so it can provide isolation for the brake and the running light and the turn signals on your bike. But in this example, I'm connecting just the brake. Now, instead of wiring directly, we connect a trigger wire from the brake circuit to this isolating kit, and that controls the relay for the brake circuit. When the relay is activated, it completes the circuit between the trailer brake light and the bike's battery. That relay circuit and the trailer lights are now on a separate fuse. So you get exactly the same result as if you had direct wired the trailer to the bike. When the bike's brake switch is closed, the bike's brake light and the trailer brake light are activated. Now let's see how this works differently when a fault occurs. I've set up the same fault that was present in the first direct wired setup. And after activating the brake, I'll now simulate that shorting condition. And just as before, pop. The fuse is blown, but on the isolator only. You'll see that the brake light circuit on the bike remains operational. Now, this can be a real benefit, not just because it preserves the lights on the bike, but on today's bikes, circuits are monitored so closely that any small variation in voltage can trigger a fault. This isolating kit makes the wiring on a trailer or camper virtually invisible to the bike's wiring harness. And as you've just seen, it can prevent any issue in the trailer from affecting the bike's wiring. So that's it. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to stop by OpenRoadOutfitters.com for more info and videos on motorcycle campers, trailers, parts, and accessories. This is Dale for Open Road Outfitters, wishing you many happy journeys.